It's like having a friend that's really into points and miles, but in your pocket. And I was an end user for years, and it just completely changed the way I manage my cards. Instead of feeling scattered, I suddenly had this command center for my whole wallet.
Yes, the war chest a little bit more organized and automated. I think that's the big advantage that many of these offers can seem quite daunting. You log into Amex, for instance, and you'll see 200 offers, and here's Sunglass Hut, Speedway Hut, many other places that you really wouldn't go to. And then buried deep below might be a valuable one, like $50 off at Lowe's. Or this week, I'm seeing something like $10 off of $50 at ShopRite. And for my experience, I was able to activate these, or card pointers automatically activated for me on multiple cards. So I was able to get offers multiple times.
Exactly right. So as Justin is fond of saying, America loves math. I was at a cocktail party with Justin, and I don't remember, we were in Chicago at the Loyalty Summit. And okay, so funny story about Justin. I was introducing him to a lot of people in the room, but Justin already knew most of those people in the room. So that was fun. But there was some kind of math we had to do. Justin could do it off the top of his head. Not everyone is that talented. If you're not a super mathy person, even if you are, Card Pointers is really going to make it simple. So you're not having to remember all of these different things. So whether you're super mathy and Justin American loves math, or you're not, Card Pointers is still going to help you.
Excellent. Yes, the answer to everything is more credit cards. But of course, with more credit cards, it's all these offers. And sometimes you can miss things or there are spontaneous moments. Recently, I flew with Southwest on the way back from Chicago. The flight was covered. So thanks to Tommy for that, giving us a shot, of course. I paid for my check bag and it activated an offer that I didn't even know was on one of my Chase cards. So I got reimbursed for a check bag, which was really cool.
So it's those little ways of using those offers that just getting those messages makes me so happy, because it's little ways of saving cash here, saving cash there, getting extra points you didn't even know that make this whole game even more fun.
Yes, the wins continue as we get those cashback statement credits, extra points, and much more. And Card Pointers is just getting better and better. There was a recent new update. What has changed in that update?
We just dropped Card Pointers 7 on September 25th, and it's completely redesigned for iOS 26 with that new sort of liquid glass look Apple's doing. And it really just made it look more mature. I love the new liquid. Do you have an Apple or do you have an Android,
Oh,
Justin?
I'm still on Android here with my main phone, and the phone army is almost all Android except for one Apple phone that I have just for some bonuses with Apple Pay and some other Apple exclusive offers. But Android is my main game at this moment.
So whether you have Android or Apple, I happen to have both. I don't have a phone army, but I don't play the game quite as aggressively as Justin does. He's definitely at the top of this field. But whether you have the Apple or the Android, it's still going to look beautiful. The big headline is the Apple Intelligence integration. And so you can literally just tap Ask AI or tell Siri, ask Card Pointers anything about your cards or offers, and it answers right away, all on your device and super fast. So I could say, hey, Siri, what card should I use at Whole Foods?